Oh guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Smooth low portion coin holders. Hope you're doing good, guys. After a long time, again, I'm talking about SLP coin. Obviously, now again, it is the beginning of a new month, so that's why a lot of coin. I found all coin positive in the market. So, you know what? I also predicate is all coin, a lot of coin that possibilities that in October the price start pumping. So SLP also start pumping in October. You can see the last one day chain is positive. That's mean that from 1st October smooth low portion start pumping, and my prediction is going right about smooth low portion. So guys, for accurate price prediction, please subscribe now our channel for more news and update videos. Click the subscribe button. The right now price of SLP coin in the market is about 0.073503 USD dollar. That is the right now price about SLP. And now obviously guys, if they start pumping, you can see here, wow, you can see again in the latest situation, price is again in a huge pump. Also at this time the price huge pump, but in right now situation again start pumping, guys. Positive 11.69% changes over in SLP coin, guys. So now guys, I think it's time to hold and it's time to buy more and more SLP coin, guys. Anyways, what you think? What's your opinion about smooth low portion? Also share in the comment box. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updated news videos. Hope you like this video.